This is Brian from the Vintage Type, and this is something I've been looking for quite a while. An Odell No. 4 index machine. And a gentleman up in Olympia, Washington, which is about 2 hours from me, had it on Craigslist. This is what it is. I couldn't tell from the ad if it was complete. Most of them, or quite a few of them, are missing this little rail because it comes off so easily. And what this has is what makes it work. Of course, that's the lettering. And if you don't have it, you just have a nice, pretty bit of table art. But it was here. It was complete. There's a few screws and springs that are missing, but all in all, it is very nice. And I think if I had a little ink on this little ink roller under here, I could probably make it work. So the idea behind an index machine was it was quite a bit less money than a regular typewriter. And if you weren't going to be writing a lot, say if you were on a farm, which is where this came from, and you only need to make bills of sale or do typing every once in a while, this was a good value. It was about around 1905 is what I'm guessing. And that's exactly what this was used for, is the people that had a farm, they had about, I think he said 160 acres, and you have to make money on the farm. So in the summertime, they would sell firewood and hay and produce and that kind of thing. And this was made for doing bills of sale. And you can see it has quite a bit of rust right here where you take your finger and push down and find all the letters you needed to make whatever you wanted as far as lettering. And it would, I would assume you'd get pretty fast at it if with enough practice. So the roller is in good shape, the platen is in good shape, it's not cracked. Most of the nickel is all right. There's a few rust spots. But it sure is a nice machine. It's very pretty and a lot smaller than I had thought. I'd seen pictures. And this is a small dinner plate size. It's not very big at all. And the little platen is just about the size of my thumb. I haven't put any paper in it yet, but I'm assuming it just kind of rolls in here and rolls out like that. And then you just go a little bit at a time, and after about an hour, you're done with what you were working on, your project. So it does have uppercase and lowercase. Just by the quick flip of the switch, you get upper and lowercase. And you can tell there's numbers here, and they're a little bit faded, and here's all the letters. So just by sliding back and forth and hitting that. And it has a bell. I haven't got the bell to work yet, but it has all the basic features that would constitute a very primitive typewriter. So this will go in the collection. I'll replace a few of the springs and the screws and polish it up a little more, but a very nice machine and a great little addition to my small collection. Well, thank you for watching this video on the Odell No. 4 typewriter.